Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making this tasty black bean chili with light and crispy plantain fritters. The full list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. I'll make a start on the spicy black bean chili. Under a low heat, I'll gently cook 3 cloves of crushed garlic. After allowing the garlic to cook out for a couple of minutes, I'll add half a tin of chopped tomatoes. I've turned the heat up a little now and I'll add 2 bay leaves. I'll then go in with a half a teaspoon of dried oregano, a half teaspoon of dried thyme, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and finally a half teaspoon of crushed chili flakes. I'll give that a good stir and allow to simmer for a couple of minutes. And I'll add a couple of big pinches of salt to taste. I'll stir in a tin of ready cooked black beans that I've rinsed and drained. Now I'll remove the 2 bay leaves before adding 2 teaspoons of smooth almond butter. Once I've stirred the almond butter in really well, I'll set that to one side for now and turn off the heat. For the plantain fritters, I'll be using 2 well-ripe plantains. I'll get the plantains peeled and sliced. I'll use my hands to mash them up till they're fairly smooth, but still leaving some chunks, so not totally smooth. Then I'll go in with a pinch of garlic granules, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and in goes 4 heaped tablespoons of corn flour, and I'll give that a really good mix together. I've got my oil very hot and I'm using a thick bottom pan to fry my fritters. I'll use a tablespoon size amount of batter and gently lower that into the hot oil. I'll let them fry each side for a couple of minutes until they're golden brown and crispy on the outside. Once the fritters are fried, I'll get them onto some kitchen paper to mop up any excess oil. I've warmed up my black bean chili and I'll serve with my crispy plantain fritters and a little chopped avocado on the side. So there it is, spicy black bean chili with delicious plantain fritters, another delicious budget-friendly meal. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Drop me a comment, like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one.